Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable the high contrast on this TV. Simply go to settings, tap on all settings. Tap on general and privacy. Select accessibility. Then here you can see the option high contrast. Now the high contrast is disabled. If you enable this one, then it will increase the contrast between the text and the background for Smart Hub and the settings menu. So now this is the settings menu. So now I am going to enable this one. Then you can see the change. You can see. Now the background and the options you can clearly see that it increased the contrast between the text and the background. If you disable this one, back to normal. So simply in this way, we can enable or disable the high contrast on this TV. So hope you guys do this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.